Now look how depressing that is. I haven't seen my car not in this garage in forever. It's not good. So my car is at the dealer right now, and I have a video coming on that probably on Monday or Tuesday, as well as an update on what I'm gonna do with the lowering springs. But my car is at the dealer right now, and like I said, you'll find out about that on Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully get it back next week, but I ran into a small issue. What the video is about today is some crazy shit that happened. So this weekend was the Modern Street Hemi Fest. Also what's going on is World Cup Finals this weekend, which is crazy. Rob Goss beat the record again for the fastest Gen 3 Hemi in the world. He went 6'3" in the quarter mile at like over 200 and I don't even know, 209 miles an hour, some crazy shit like that. That car is insane. Rob Goss is Challenger goals. It's so cool to watch how fast he goes with that car, and he can compete at that level with a Challenger, which is really cool because everyone in that class has like a Fox body, an F body, some type of Mustang. Like everyone has the same car except him. He's the only one out there with Challenger. But this video is not about him. This video is about Omega Hellcat. Follow him on Instagram, Ruben. It's Omega_Hellcat on Instagram and Snapchat. And he just ran the fastest time for a Charger 4-door Hellcat in the world. Now, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about his setup, but you're gonna be impressed because there's not that much done to it. But, so this weekend they had a Modern Street Hemi Showdown, whatever you wanna call it, shootout, in Atco, and I really wanted to go that. Everyone was asking me to go, but from here, it's a 24-hour drive in a regular vehicle. And I talked to Regal about going, I talked to Kevin about going. That light just got really freaking bright, holy shit. And we tried to figure out how we could make it work, and there was just no way to make it work besides driving 24 hours, which probably with like the truck and trailer, by the time you stop for diesel and all that stuff, I mean, you're probably like a good 28 hours, I would say, maybe even more. And that's driving straight through, so having everyone switch off all the time, I mean, it's insane. It's just not worth it. So, I'm gonna set the camera down, my arm's hurting. So yeah, that'd be like switching off drivers and like still driving straight through, only stopping for gas, which would have been insane. So, we weren't able to make it. Hopefully next year. I mean, we say it's about a lot of events, but we're so far on the west side of Texas, like to go anywhere on the east, it's impossible. It's way too far away. But in Atco, we really wanted to go because this time it is November. They usually get negative DA. However, they did get rained out yesterday for testing. And I didn't see too many runs today on Saturday, so I'm not sure if they had some weather issues this morning as well. But they're supposed to be finishing up tomorrow with some racing. So there might be some more records broken tomorrow. But anyways, it's just a big racing series for Hemis. And Omega Hellcat, his car, it's a 4-door Charger. It's got a 265 upper. It's got a lower pulley, a green belt, obviously. 3 pumps in the fuel tank to keep up with the E85. And he did take out all the seats except the driver's seat. He did remove the exhaust at the at the mid pipe like I did. Just to save a little bit of weight. I mean, it's a Charger. They already start out at like 4,700 pounds, so they're already heavy as shit. And so he did take out a few things. However, that may have gave him like a 10th. It's not like the thing was gutted. But yeah, real simple mods, cat delete. Pretty much the same mods as all of us, but he did add nitrous. He added a 200 shot of nitrous. It's not tuned by TIM or HHP, it's actually tuned by EMP, which is the company or it's actually tuned by Kurt from Injected Engineering, but I think all the work's been done at EMP or something like that. But I bought my Ice Tank 3 MP, they all kind of work together. It's Extreme in New York and Kurt and Injected, they all kind of work together. Kurt tunes all the cars, they build them. But anyways, crazy shit. His car went 9.4 blower only, so I think the record was 9.43 before that or something like that for the Charger, and then so he went 9.4 blower only, and then he decided to spray a 200 shot of nitrous, and he ran a 9.0 at 154 miles an hour in a Charger. That's freaking crazy, and it's still, here's another crazy thing, it's still on 17s, it's not on a 15-inch conversion. It doesn't have a 15-inch conversion in the front. It doesn't have like fiberglass front end. It doesn't have anything crazy. I mean, it is a 4-door Charger with 17s on the back, no 9-inch rear end. It's still the IRS suspension. Some skinnies up front, obviously. They're still 18s. And he went 9.0 at 154 miles an hour. He went, I think it was 580 in the 8th. I mean, this car was booking. This car would smoke the shit out of mine. Yeah, let's see. It's 583 in the 8th, 122 miles an hour in the 8th. His 60 foot is really good, a 139. That's freaking awesome. So obviously the track was hooking pretty good, and he kind of knows exactly how to launch that car to get it moving out of the 60 foot. But huge congrats to him. That's awesome. Make sure you follow him on Instagram, Snapchat, Omega_Hellcat. I think it's his Snapchat. It's definitely his Instagram. I don't know if it's his Snapchat, but freaking badass. I put a video at the beginning. Obviously, I'm going to put the video up now so you guys can see it again. And I'll put a picture of the time slip. But that's freaking insane. The DA wasn't even negative, actually. Like, the reason why I wanted to go there was because I wanted to get negative DA with some cool weather. The weather was cool, but it wasn't cool enough to get that negative DA. It was still 300, positive 300 DA when he ran this 9.0. So, huge congrats to him. And honestly, it's just cool to see everyone keep pushing the Hellcats and keep making them faster, because it just makes the aftermarket grow, which helps everyone that's trying to modify their Hellcats. So, like I said, update coming for you guys on Monday or possibly Tuesday when I find out from the dealer what's going on with the car. And I might be switching out the lowering springs and not doing the OEM ones. Actually, might be doing something else. I'll keep you guys updated on that. Hopefully you guys had an awesome weekend. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And comment down below if I should just spray a 200 shot of nitrous on my car, because yeah, he trapped 154 with a 200 shot of nitrous. So who knows? My car did 148 with no nitrous and a lot higher DA. My car did 148, not trying to compare, but my car did 148 at 2000 DA, and he went 154 at 300 DA with 200 shot of nitrous. I don't know. You tell me what I should do below. Should I just spray the car and say fuck it? Or should I keep going below early? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Baby39. We'll see you guys on the next one.